So, when was the last time you two had some bedtime action?
Excuse me?
How often do you two hit the dance floor?
I'm not following this conversation.
Yes, next question, please.
Oh, hello, are you a doctor or Didi? What's wrong? Are you okay?
Are you sexually active? Astaghfirullah, Allah. It's a medical question.
No, bila haram. خذ عليك. Bismillah, you're not doctor. Doctor Maha. Doctor, you are shaitan.
We are the Muslim, we don't do this. Okay, so how was that baby born? Gift from God.
We found him in homeless shelter. Adoption.
All right, Halima. So is that another gift from God?
Yeah, Sabah. Bye, doctor. You are disgusting, Sabah.